Welcome back. As you remember, in the previous lesson, we received a special flower ring, and we will continue in this lesson with the new room called Geometry of Flowers. And we will be able to use the powers of the ring of flowers. So let's see, what does this ring bring us? Okay, let's check the ring, equip our hero, and let's see. Pretty wildflowers grow wherever you walk when wearing this ring. So with this ring, we get skills: set flower color, sets the color of the flowers. Options are pink, red, yellow, blue, purple, white, and or random. And we can also toggle flowers. So toggles whether flowers are grown or not. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so the goal here is to draw a circle at the red X and draw a square at the white X. So here's the white, here's the red. Let's see how we draw. So now we have ring of flowers. What we can do is toggle, like we said, to see if the flowers are growing or not. And we can also set flower color, random, pink, red, blue, and so on. So here are some functions for drawing shapes. So we have a function draw circle and function draw square. Okay, now follow the tutorial here and let's see if you can draw a circle at the red X and draw a square at the white X. See you soon. I hope you are enjoying using this magic ring that we got as much as I do. So what did we get? We got two functions. First one is to draw a circle. You can check how approximately it's built. Is very likely that you won't be able to understand all the details, but don't worry, just that you get approximately the feeling. And then we have another function, draw square, where we draw a square with certain parameters here. And at the end, we have to call these functions and to actually draw a square and circle. So maybe one thing that is different than before, we don't have just open and closed brackets without anything in. This time we have here parameters. So when we call a function, we can also give the arguments that will then go into the function and basically execute with the numbers that we will give. And here is the same. So these are the parameters. And later, when we call the function, we give the function the arguments. So in this case, the argument is position of the red x-axis, and here the second one, position of the red axis y-axis. And the third argument is the size of the circle. And in the square, we again have the first thing is axis x, axis y, and the size. So let's try. and see what our hero will draw. So here we set color is purple and the size is 10 and it should be around red X. And the other one is white and it should be around the white X. So now we can play a little bit. Maybe we can make a little bit smaller circle with random colors so that we have it more more colorful, and we make one big square with blue color. Maybe we can even make another like location, which is var location, and then we do shift and click so that we get the new location. We can just maybe say position so that we don't have so much to type. And on this position we will make again the color. Let's say this time what are the options we have? Pink, red, yellow, blue, purple. So let's make it yellow this time. And we want to draw a circle, and it's gonna be on position X and positions Y axis, and the size it's gonna be 15. So let's see. Little circle, big square, and another. It's too big, so maybe we can make it 5. We really didn't pick the nice location. The poor hero is squeezing within the rocks, but you get the picture. So this is how we can use the predefined functions, draw circle and draw square, and we change the arguments when we call the functions so that we get different colors and different sizes, because here we can change only the size, the color, and the location where the flowers will be planted. Perfect. So let's submit this. Maybe they won't accept it because we changed it already a little bit, but hopefully. Oh, poor hero. Unfortunately, we didn't satisfy them, so let's change back to 10 and 10, and now run it. Ole! Another victory for us. And a new item, Boss Star 2. Code Combat is becoming more and more fun. See you soon in the next level.